So friends, what's going on with monthly stimulus benefits? There are a lot of new changes that have been proposed, but some of these changes will financially affect seniors, Social Security, SSI, SSDI, RRB, and VA beneficiaries. So in this video, I will be going over what Democrats are planning to do to provide more stimulus relief to Social Security beneficiaries during this crisis. Remember friends that I'm always here every day to support this community as much as I can. So please make sure that you share this video on social media and with your friends if they need more honest stimulus news. Also, watch until the end of this video to learn how to enter next Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway.
Universal pre-K, which I love, which is family and medical leave. We have to cross a threshold of understanding how we all can participate in the economic success of our country. All of these things are urgent, and we're going to get them done together. Now, if those on the other side do not support the child tax credit, child care, family and medical leave, and the rest, then we'll do that, and we'll have a full package at the end.
Could the House come back early? The House could come back early to take up infrastructure.
Well,
members could be called back.
I'm sorry?
Could the House be called back early from recess to take up infrastructure?
Did you not hear what I just said?
I just a firm answer, so that members could be prepared to come back early. If they pass both, is what I'm saying.
You just asked me if they're going to be called back to pass infrastructure.
If both are passed in the Senate.
Well, let's see what happens. But right now, again, I don't know if I ever comment on what the Senate is doing except when they say no. And they said no to they were going to say no to the moratorium. But I did say that we're going to do this when we can do it all.
After months of setbacks, President Biden is looking to chart a path forward for passage of his spending agenda. While the president indicates he's willing to break up the Build Back Better Act to get it done, Democrats may be starting from scratch with negotiations on Capitol Hill. President Biden has stated at his press conference that he is confident they'll be able to get big chunks of the Build Back Better Act, signed into law before the midterm election. Biden said they're probably going to have to break it up. He stated that his goal is to get as much done as possible and then come back and fight for the rest of his agenda. But Senator Joe Manchin of West Virginia acknowledged that his previous offer for a $1.8 trillion spending bill, which was discussed last fall, is no longer on the table. This means new provisions will be negotiated on in Congress. And according to Senator Joe Manchin, he stated, "We'll just be starting from scratch, addressing a wide range of Democratic priorities, from climate change to health care." Last month, Joe Manchin said that he could not support the Build Back Better Act, denying Senate Democrats the necessary 50 votes to pass it in its entirety on its own. The West Virginia senator said that the country needs to get its finances in order, arguing they need to get inflation down and get the crisis out of the way. So friends, what are your thoughts on Senator Joe Manchin's strong opposition to Biden's Build Back Better bill? Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Prices of goods rose 7% last year, their fastest pace in 40 years. It was one of the issues that Joe Manchin cited when he said he could not support the spending bill. But waiting for prices to level off could take some time. Officials at the Federal Reserve and other forecasters believe that inflation will remain into the second half of this year, amid ongoing supply chain challenges and high demand. So it's clear that Americans are still going to be negatively impacted by this crisis, which means more relief needs to be sent out. The White House did not give a new targeted price tag for the spending bill or what exactly it would include. But according to White House Press Secretary Jen Psaki, the president was not necessarily dictating what the size would look like. He wants to get as big of a chunk as we can get done and through Congress. Democrats have been using the so-called reconciliation process, meaning they only need 50 votes in the Senate to pass their spending agenda. However, should the bill be broken up into separate pieces of legislation, the provisions not included in reconciliation would require 60 votes to pass in the Senate and some Republican support. As Democrats look at what can be salvaged from the Build Back Better Act, provisions to combat climate change could be one of the areas where Democrats move forward. President Biden has told reporters, "I think it's clear that we would be able to get support for the $500+ billion for energy and the environmental issues that are there." Other areas of possible agreement floated among Democrats on Thursday include tackling the cost of early childhood education and reducing the cost of prescriptions. Biden acknowledged that he is not sure he can get two major components of his agenda into the package, which is the extension of the expanded child tax credit, which had been temporarily going out to some 36 million families on a monthly basis since last July, and free community college. Since the final monthly payments as part of the American Rescue Plan went out in December, many Democratic congressional aides have said extending the benefit remains a top priority for lawmakers in conversations with party leadership. Friends, the keyword for this video is basketball. If you would like to enter next Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like my videos, comment below this keyword and any other keyword of video that you watch, and also please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. But Joe Manchin, who had previously floated work requirements and lower eligibility thresholds, declined to go into detail on the child tax credit. Other Senate Democrats said extending it remains one of their important issues. So friends, do you think monthly child tax credit payments should be expanded? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. That is the end of this daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very much for everyone who has joined me today. I greatly appreciate all of you. Please do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and click and like my videos. And share this video with your friends and family if they need more reliable and accurate stimulus news information. Thank you so much, friends, and have a very blessed weekend.